What is Sanya? It's where culture and creativity are at everyone's fingertips. Where energy and confidence pulse like ocean waves, fueling a brighter future. Step into a realm where dreams come alive. Sanya, an irresistible beauty. Its tropical winds bring limitless energy, injecting boundless vitality into the land.
Yes, definitely in Sanya.
More than 10,000 years ago, people here fired pottery, harvested crops, and carved their stories into the rock. Around 2,000 years ago, Chinese civilization spread here in the ancient city of Yazhou. Here, diverse cultures meet and blend, giving rise to myriad fascinating tales and a unique cultural heritage. Now, come ride along its 263-kilometer of golden coast, play in the sunshine and feel the waves on a white beach of unparalleled beauty. From luxurious hotels to affordable hostels, you'll find comfort and relaxation in Sanya. Just like our 25 million overnight visitors every year. Soar into the sky. Dive deep into the sea. And enjoy China's most deliciously fresh cuisine. Take a walk on the wild side and explore our jungles. Or shop till you drop in the amazing duty-free malls, where you'll find the best brands from around the globe. Sanya, let us inspire your imagination for travel.
I want to find a place full of opportunities. Any suggestions?
Definitely, Sanya.
From tourism and modern services to high-tech industry and high-efficiency tropical agriculture. Trade and investment in Sanya has never been better. With a visa-free policy covering 59 countries and our fast-developing business environment, Sanya welcomes anyone with big dreams. As a pioneer of China's opening up and the only free trade port with Chinese characteristics, Hainan Island is your place to win. Let Sanya make your dreams a reality. Sanya is more than a tropical paradise.
I really love doing science, but I also want to enjoy my life. Is there any place where I can balance it?
Definitely Sanya.
Sanya is for explorers. We're pushing the frontiers on the ground, in the sky, and in the sea. For 7 decades, generations of scientists have used this rich soil to cultivate new and improved seeds for the world. In the past decade, Nanfan headquarters has cultivated 70% of China's new crop varieties. Now, Sanya has nearly 3,300 marine tech companies. Together with the world-leading deep-sea warrior and striver, they are unveiling the secrets of the deep. We're also reaching for the stars, with several stations receiving satellite data. We're the place for aerospace innovation. Here, projects progress at Sanya speed. In just 5 years, we transformed barren land into an innovation hub with 50 sci-tech platforms. It's home to 14 top universities and 34 leading scholars from the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Sanya is open to talent from around the globe to study here, conduct scientific research here, and experience our superior conditions and exceptional hospitality. Sanya, a city not to be missed. In Sanya, you'll experience the essence of China in a tropical land. It's open. It's embracing the world through the maritime Silk Road. It's diverse. Everyone can enjoy a good life here. It knows its people. It offers confidence in all areas. It's connected. 116 airlines fly to destinations around the world, and bullet trains circle the island about every 4.5 hours. It's eco-friendly. Summer never ends here. It has infinite potential. It's a land of hope where dreams come true. A place like this
Definitely Sanya.
Definitely Sanya.
当然是
É claro que é Sanya.
Évidemment, Sanya.
Только Sanya.
Insania, naturalmente.
Cekana, Sanya.
is definitely Sanya.